Sony's next full-frame powerhouse is just days away, and the leaks reveal something huge. A brand new partially stacked sensor, blistering 30-frame bursts, and full-width 4K 60. This isn't just an upgrade. This could redefine the A7 series. Here's your first deep dive into everything we know about the Sony A7 V, Sony's most anticipated hybrid camera of the year. At the heart of the A7 V is a newly developed 33-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. Sony may be sticking with the same resolution, but the architecture? Completely new. This partially stacked sensor is rumored to deliver dramatically faster readout speeds. That means cleaner electronic shutter performance and a significant reduction in rolling shutter distortion, a major leap over the A7 IV. And thanks to that speed, the electronic shutter is expected to fire at up to 30 frames per second, 3 times faster than its predecessor. The mechanical shutter remains at 10 FPS, but the electronic mode now becomes a genuinely reliable option for sports, wildlife, and fast-moving action. One of the biggest surprises? Full-width 4K at 60 frames per second. Earlier rumors hinted at a crop, but updated leaks suggest Sony is giving creators clean, uncropped 4K, with improved noise performance and better dynamic range. This shifts the A7 V firmly into serious hybrid territory. A new processor is also expected to debut inside the A7 V, powering faster, smarter AI autofocus. Think more accurate subject detection, improved tracking reliability, and better predictive behavior for both photo and video scenarios. Sony may also be pushing the limits of in-body stabilization with claims of up to 8 stops of compensation. If true, handheld low-light shooting and gimbal-free video could take a major step forward. The body is rumored to include a 3.2-inch vari-angle screen, dual CD card slots, a revamped EVF, and not one, but 2 USB-C ports. Welcome addition for tethering, power delivery, and fast data transfer. The Sony A7 V is expected to land near the $3,000 mark, with all remaining details set to be confirmed on December 2nd. If these rumors hold true, the A7 V could become the most compelling all-around hybrid mirrorless camera in Sony's lineup. Stay tuned for the official reveal and subscribe for our full breakdown the moment Sony lifts the curtain. The A7 V is almost here.